So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another error to fix. Ethernet plugged in but Windows still says no internet or unidentified network. Don't replace the router yet. There is a safe troubleshooting order that usually finds the problem and which is I am going to show you in this video right now. In most cases, Windows connected physically through Ethernet, but something failed during network setup. So common causes include bad cable, router issue, DHCP failure, driver problem, or broken IP configuration. The goal is to figure out whether the issue is the router, the cable, or just this PC. So start simple. Check Ethernet cable fully inserted, router or switch lights blinking normally, and no loose connectors. Then try another LAN port on the router. Sometimes one Ethernet port fails while the other still work. Secondly, test another cable or another device. Now isolate the hardware. Try another Ethernet cable or another PC or laptop on the same cable. Results matter here because if another device works, the issue is likely the Windows PC. And if nothing works, the router, modem, or cable is more likely the problem. Now, let's restart modem and router properly to power cycle both devices. The recommended order is to turn off modem, turn off router, wait about 30 seconds, then power modem first and then router, then reconnect to the PC. This helps rebuild DHCP and network assignments cleanly. Now, to disable and re-enable Ethernet adapter to check if that's the issue, go to Settings, Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. Disable the Ethernet adapter. Wait for a few seconds, then enable it again. This forces Windows to renegotiate the connection. Now, to run the Windows Network troubleshooter if nothing else helps, open Settings. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, or you can use Get Help, then Network Troubleshooter. Windows may automatically reset the adapter, renew configuration, or detect missing gateway problems, so wait for it to finish. Now check the Ethernet status details. Just open Settings again on your Windows PC. Network and Internet. Then Ethernet. Check IPv4 connectivity, assigned IP address, DNS information. If the connection says no network access, then Windows likely failed to receive a valid network configuration. Now, let's use the ipconfig in command prompt. Just open command prompt on your Windows as an administrator, then run ipconfig command. Look for IPv4 address, default gateway. If the address starts with 169.254, Windows probably failed to receive DHCP information from the router. If default gateway is blank, the PC cannot properly reach the router. If that didn't fix it, let's renew DHCP and flush DNS. Just run these commands on one at a time. ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, then ipconfig/flush DNS. What do? They release broken IP assignment, request a fresh address, and clear all DNS cache. This fixes many connected but no internet situations. And finally, let's restart the network adapter driver. Just open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Windows icon. Then go to Network Adapters and expand them. Find your Ethernet adapter, then either update the driver or uninstall device, then restart your PC. Windows usually reinstalls the driver automatically after reboot. And that's it guys, that's the troubleshooting order that isolates the issue safely without randomly reinstalling Windows or replacing hardware too early. If this video was helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.